guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this little look right here. Got a little creative with some eyeliner today, so that's the focus of this look. Got some purple liner going here, some glitter liner going here, and some regular liner in my same spot as always. If you like the way this looks, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Share this with your friends. My next goal for subscribers is going to be 1,000. And thank you all for 300 because I'm so grateful. And I love you all so much. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. We are going to start out on face makeup today since we're doing a light eyeshadow look today. So I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. I love this. I've mentioned this a couple times. Super good for keeping out oil. I'm going to be going in with the YSL All Hours Foundation in the shade BR40. I guess that would be the shade. I'm a little light right now, so this is one of my foundations I use when I'm not as self-tan. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is also a nice drugstore concealer. I do prefer the Makeup Revolution one more now, and also the Maybelline Fit Me, but I would actually say that this one compares more to the Maybelline Fit Me, but my all-time favorite now has to be the Makeup Revolution one they just came out with. Now I'm going to be going into the Kat Von D Lock It Set It Translucent Powder. Just a little mini size I got at Sephora. And I know I've said this before, but I love the smell of this. It's literally the smell of cookie dough. Now I'm going to be going into an oldie but a goodie. It is the Buxom Bronzer. I still really love this. I used to use this like right when I started my YouTube channel, and then I moved on to some different things, but it's still a really great bronzer. It's super pretty. Now also going into another oldie but a goodie, I recently just got back into this. I tried this out in my last video. It's the Makeup Revolution Contour Palette. I used this in my drugstore versus high-end video and fell back in love with it because I just forgot how good it was, you know? Okay, I'm just going to lightly contour my nose. Not doing anything too snatched, just using this regular fluffy contouring brush. And now I'm going to be going into my Anastasia blush kit, and we're just going to be mixing every shade except for that very light pink shade because I love them all and I love how they look mixed together. Okay, super pretty. Now I'm going to carve out my contour with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm going to blend everything out with this Real Techniques stippling brush. Last but not least, I'm going to be highlighting with my Broken Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. This is again another one of my oldie but goodies that I've rediscovered. Ooh, we're glowing. So now we're going to be moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion like always. I need to go and find like a drugstore primer that I really like because I always use this, but I can wait for another day. Now I'm going to be setting that with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Now we're going to be going into the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette because we need some pinky tones today. We're going to be using this shade right here in the crease, or above the crease I guess, sorry about that. And now we're going to be going right under that, and we're going to be using the Morphe M443 brush. We're going to go into this shade right here, and we're just going to put that right in the crease. Alright, now we're going to go back in, mix both of those shades we just used together with that first brush, and we are going to kind of mix the two together. Okay, and now last we're just going to be putting we're just going to use the shade right here, the lightest shade, and we're just going to pack that on the lid because we're not doing anything majorly crazy with the eyeshadow today. It's gonna be more so the eyeliner. And now we're gonna go back into that worky brush. Define the crease. No extra product or anything. Last but not least, going into that very first brush and just blending out the crease one more time. Now I'm going to be going into my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm actually going to go do this in the mirror like I always do. Yeah, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do some special eyeliner because it'll be great. So I did my winged eyeliner, and I took out a little clip of my hair because I kind of forgot it was there. I was just using it to hold my hair back. So now I'm going to be going into... can't get it open. I bought this eyeliner so long ago and I'm just now opening it. So I'm going to be using this NYX... I'm going to be using this NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, and we're going to basically just put it, like outline the top of my eyeliner with it, and we're going to see, hopefully this doesn't go badly. That actually wasn't bad. Obviously I gotta go catch up my black eyeliner now, but yeah, I've never done anything like this, so I just figured it would be really fun, you know? Before I mess this up, I'm gonna let this side dry. I know it's messed up, so we're gonna fix it. We're just gonna let it dry so I can overlap it. We got the wing part, it's just this is like, the inner corner part is like super hard. And just bear with me, I'm gonna let that dry. Oh my god. Okay, I can't look up. As you can just see, this like did not dry down yet and it leaked on. So let me see if I can fix this. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking the Tarteist Pro Glitter Liner in the shade Silver. We're just gonna be using, I guess we'll use both sides of it, but this is going underneath the wing right here to outline the under part of the wing. Alright, we're gonna have to do 2 layers on this side just because the wing was a little thick. So 1 second, I'm gonna outline the side with the glitter. It really gives like that shine like on the wing. It's really cool to me. And outlining it with, oh my gosh, my hair. Oops, stuck in it. And now I'm gonna lightly do my lower lash line as well, just because, I don't know, I need to. I'm gonna just take that pink shade right here with that same Morphe M443 brush. So now that concludes that. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. I just tried to do my brows in a different way, and I'm never doing that again. They look like trash. This is why I normally use like 3 different products to achieve my look, because now they look so fake and uneven, and I'm just like, why? I'm over it. I'm gonna stop messing with it. Now we are moving on to lips, so I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melton Matte in the shade Suck It. I've used this so many times and I never get over that name. But I love this, I think it's great, so it'll be a pretty color for this look. Okay, you know what I just freaking realized? I forgot about my freaking mascara eyeliner jazz. Or eyelashes. Oh, I'm so dumb. That's like one of the most important things. How could you even forget that? By the way, I'm using the Tarteist Pro mascara, I think is what it's called. I knew something looked off. I was so confused. Okay, and now I'm going to quickly put on some false lashes. I don't know what I want to use though. I think I'm going to use these. Pretty sure I actually got these for $1 off of that $1 website. Actually, they're just like little Vimy Wispy lashes. And that's what I'm going to use. The website's called Miss A, I think is what the brand is called. Like, or the website, if you were wondering. I could be totally wrong. But I do know they do have some lashes, and even if these aren't the ones I'm thinking of, they were good, and they were $1, so yeah. And then kind of curl them a little bit. Let them get tacky. And we're going. Now we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the way that this look turned out. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!